What's up, guys? Okay, once again. Alright, so quick update on the trades I took today. So this is at the time of shooting this video. This is 11:32 p.m. 17th of August 2026. So right now we have, I guess this is markets. Is the market about to close or even not to open? Anyone? I don't know. I can't really see right now because I just came into the market. I just came to my workstation actually. So this was the trade I actually took this today, and pretty much I said I was expecting to see price buy. Although we're still buying, I closed already. I closed, and we're currently buying. So this was what happened. I saw an inverse head and shoulder, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and boom, we're buying. So currently, I'll have to take this out right now. So I also explained this. So we sold to this point last week, and today we started with this week like this. Let me see. Okay, this is a new trading day, so the market already opened a new trading day. So right now, if you look at it properly, you can also see the price actually gave us an inverse head and shoulder, left shoulder, head, a neck rather, shoulder, right? Boom, and we're currently buying. So that's what we happened. That's what happened made me buy this US oil. So right now I'm expecting to see, I'd rather like to see the market give us a pullback into this zone, then we continue buying, right? If the market does this, it will give me room to take to add a position, to take a new trade, because I already closed this trade. So for US oil, I'm still waiting to see us buy into this area till we fill up this zone, this guy here. Since we filled up this one here, so I expect to see the market fill up this guy. So that's why I'm actually buying. Then if we do this, if we buy and fill up this guy, I'm expecting to see price now drop drastically from here. So we might have this boom. If we drop to this point before we continue to buy higher, in my opinion, or even choose to keep going lower. But reason for wanting to buy this thing continuously like this is, I just judging from fundamental standpoint, I feel like at this point, after filling up this gap here, the market is also going to come and fill up this gap here, which is going to make us like, and when it gets to this point, there's no other liquidity resting below. Trump might now say, hey guys, I'm going to attack Iran, and boom, market starts to fly, right? We can actually look at it from this other place so that you guys will see you guys can see the gap I'm anticipating. So we'll fill up this guy. I'm expecting us to fill up this other guy, like I just said in the other broker before. So if we do this right now, right, then the next move, that's what I'm expecting, so that we can fill up this guy, liquidity swept, fill up this guy, liquidity swept, to just back up my principle that says wherever liquidity is resting, the closest place liquidity is resting, that's where the market tends to tap into first. So this is the closest place liquidity is resting right now, and once we do it, the next target will be this one. That's what I feel. And this is subject to change because I trade what I see, not what I feel. So all these things are just what I feel. So if we get to this point and price decides to do otherwise, I will have to follow price and do what price is saying, because I'm trading price, and also I'm actually trading what I see and not what I feel. So moving on to gold. Gold is also buying, but we sold short term. We sold short term during that was yesterday, London and New York. No, New York section. Yeah, London and New York section. Right. So, in my opinion, they are printing out the same pattern. Inverse head and shoulder, head, shoulder, boom. You get. So that's why I feel at this point there's no clear entry for gold, so I'm not going to take it. I'm not going to take this trade right now. I'm not even going to take it right now. If I see an opportunity, I'll take it. Let's look at US oil. USDJPY. Sorry. So USDJPY pretty much is still doing what I want it to do. At this point now, if you guys pay attention, it is stalling here. Right, let me use the schematic box instead. So if you look at USDJPY, around this point, it's been stalling, right? And this is just basically the market trying to build up liquidity. It's creating a liquidity pool. So if you look at it like this, I still expect price to buy up into this zone before we continue selling. Yeah, because if you look at it, we have overbought. Price kept buying, no room for price. Bought, came down, bought, came down, bought, came down, bought. So boom, retracement here before we can sell off. That's what I feel. And if price does this, if you look at it very well, we'll be having more like a head and shoulder pattern being printed out, right? So now this week, I don't know why the market is trying to print out head and shoulder pattern, but I mean, we trade what we see. For me to be able to spot it out, then we're on track. Now, there's so much liquidity here, which I feel like the market might even take out, right? I feel like the market is going to take it out. So I'm going to just chill. Let me see if we have any opportunity on, sorry, Gbpjpy. Gbpjpy. A similar thing, yeah. Gbpjpy is printing out similar thing. So I'm still waiting for JPY to, okay, it has even gotten to this point. So let's see if we would have a trade here. There's a trade opportunity, we'll jump on it. Okay, so price has not really done anything. In my opinion, price has not done anything. I still have this zone that I'm interested in seeing price, how price will react around this area, this zone. Alright, I'm expecting to see price, how price is going to react around this zone. So nothing really nothing is happening here for now. I guess I might have to put an eye on this guy. But for US oil and gold, they actually played out the way we wanted it. I'm still gonna see if I will have opportunity on, what's the name, US oil. If the market gives me an opportunity to trade it, by all means I'll jump on it. So for now guys, I have to just post out this. Do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also feel free to join my Telegram channel. The link is going to be in the description of this video. Any other updates, I'll post it on my Telegram channel. As you already know guys, Echo is active. Stay cheesed up.